Hi, this is Dr. Venu Kumar from the Holy Tree. I'm a clean eating lifestyle mentor and I'm here to develop your body relationship with your food. So today we will be talking about immunity and nutritional deficiencies. I will be talking about each thing separately, but first of all and more importantly, today I will be talking about in wholesome. So you need vitamin C. I advise vitamin C more than 2000 mg daily basis if COVID is really prevalent around you. But otherwise also we can take vitamin C on regular basis at least 500 mg. It always helps to build immunity. But vitamin C, along with vitamin C, vitamin D is also really very important. Vitamin D dose is always advised to take as per your doctor. So you can check your vitamin D, but in my career I have never seen any toxic symptom in which vitamin D is even overdosed. So I believe that every month you can take one sachet regularly, and if you are vitamin D deficient, please consult your doctor to take accordingly. And after this comes zinc. So I have seen many zinc and magnesium supplements now available in the market. Recently I have seen a tablet of vitamin C with zinc available. So zinc plays a very crucial role in healing. So it is very important for immunity. So zinc, again I would advise that we should take zinc. Vitamin B plays a very major role, and all our nervous system, stress, anxiety causes depleting in vitamin B. So I would advise vitamin B to be taken during this time. Also, the role of probiotics cannot be ignored during this. So probiotics are related to most of the fermented foods, but also you get the probiotic sachet. So you have to see that your gut is happy and you have a clean gut, so you don't have problem in cleansing, so that the toxins are not built up. You know that I am a detox specialist, so this is my favorite topic. I'll be talking about this. But these are few of the things which you should be taking as supplement during this COVID period, and also otherwise, because this also helps in building your immunity. You might be having some queries. Please let me know about your queries in the comment section below, and I will be happy to answer this. Thank you.